Ditch the bulky gear. Hold up, adventurers. Ever struggled to keep your camping stove and gear from turning into a chaotic mess in your backpack? Meet your new outdoor essential, the nCamp Camping Stove Bag. Compact, lightweight, and rugged enough to brave the wilds with you. Now, picture this. It's dawn at the campsite. Dew clings to the trees, and the last thing you need is hunting for your propane adapter among tangled tent ropes. Thanks to this bag, everything is in its place. Custom-fit straps gently cradle your nCamp multi-fuel stove, while handy compartments manage all those little extras. Quick jaunt through a drizzle or surprise snow. No worries. Its molded nylon GVE foam shell laughs in the face of weather, keeping your gear dry and ready. Plus, the zippered exterior pocket has you covered for essentials. Think lighter, Swiss Army knife, or an energy bar. The sleek design isn't just eye candy. It slips effortlessly into your pack, shaving precious minutes off your morning prep. Think of it as Marie Kondo for your camp kitchen. Organize, optimize, and get on with the adventuring. Craving organized, chaos-free escapades? Hit the link in the description below and gear up for your next journey with the nCampStove Bag, a small marvel in a streamlined package. Happy trails!